sun in the class, you're drinking sun. Yes, that is true. Do you want to be like this is what you're choosing in life?
It's there for backup.
Is there for backup? No, I think they should.
No, when day-to-day lives, I don't have to be stuck with like buying like packaged food. So I'm there, so I know like okay, bro, I can make this for my week. So thanks to my mom. All thanks to my mom.
And so I think we must clap for this guy. This guy makes his own food so that he doesn't have to buy food and he doesn't have to always rely on food outside. And you are gold, man. You are amazing. That's how it's supposed to be. So you like pack your stuff, or you try and pack your food on your own. You're making mama proud, you know that.
I don't know what to say. I'm speechless because my mom raised me from small, putting me to cooking competitions. So when I first started cooking, was like, how am I going to do this? And my mom's doing everything. She's packing my tiffin and everything. But then, like when I went for the competition, she told me like, what will you do when I'm not there? What will you do when your family is not there? That time you cannot rely and keep paying. So that time my head was like, okay. And when I started making and like learning from my mistakes, that's the best part, like coming over your failures. So that's all I have to say. Once again, thanks to my mom.
Oh, how is mommy? I have to speak to mommy now, of course. How can your son is...